Welcome to Smooth Skin Supply Weekly News. This is for October 1st, 2023. Each week, we are bringing you the news via video. I have gotten a lot of feedback from estheticians who are Say Brazil estheticians, and they absolutely love this new method of giving information because they can listen to it in the background. They can listen to it on their car on the way. It's almost a mini podcast, but not really because we have this happening on YouTube and there's lots of information that we actually show for people to see at the same time. So each Monday, we give you real information that's update, definitely news style. It's perfect for those of you who want to watch and listen for all the information we have for the week. Do you have a wholesale account with us? So for access to our professional products, our back bar sizes, and our retail products at a wholesale price, you do need to have a wholesale account. Please upload a copy of your professional license. The link will be down in the description for you to click and go ahead and do that. Free shipping week is coming to an end today. Tonight at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, our free shipping option will be complete. We had for an entire week, any order over $25 that was done online would qualify for free ground shipping. Many of you took place with that. Many of you are not aware that it actually ends today. So there'll be some more reminders as well as in our Facebook group and on our socials to let you know that it will end, and then we'll count you down like we always do. And it's been a great time celebrating this coming into our customer appreciation. We still have on clearance and discontinued products, our oatmeal lavender bar, our brown sugar bar, our calm serum 2-ounce, and honey soft wax for the 20-ounce, and many other products are discontinued. We are clearancing them out. They will not return. So while we have our free shipping that ends today, maybe you want to stock up on them to see if this will work for you, or even just to try to see if you want to come back and buy some more. You have that option here. The Say Brazil Discount Club is one of our most popular ways for people to actually get a discount whenever they place an order with us. Many people have probably listened to this. They don't really quite understand the importance of this. You get 15% off whenever you place an order as a member. You get free shipping. This is the only way that you're able to drop ship with us. So if you do have a website where you do not carry inventory, but you're interested in drop shipping, we offer this to our discount club members, and they have this and they don't pay shipping as well. So it's a double thing. We also give a marketing kit every single time you place an order for your business as a member. You get a bonus gift every month. Typically, it's new products as well. So any products before we launch, we actually give it to our discount club members. This is how they get free retail bags. This is how they get free gifts whenever we have things that have launched new as far as marketing materials. They all get this for being a member. We sample match every single item that's purchased for retail. We also add you to our retail locator list on our website. We do free matching of free products when you buy 12, 24, 48, or 96. There is a monthly coaching call just for discount club members to help their business. And then until the end of the year, which is 12/31/2023, every discount member will have access to the Esthetician business community. That will end though, so I do want to let people know. So if you have been on the fence about becoming a discount club member, you're wanting to get a consistent discount, you order with us every single month, and you are interested in our drop shipping option, this is the only way you're going to be able to do it. And FYI, you get free shipping whenever you place an order over 100, and that 15% off does include our 5, 15, 10, 20, and 25-pound hard wax bags as well. Okay? All right. So the product of the week, we are adding this in to give you guys a little bit of information. There can never be enough education when it comes to Say Brazil and our products. The Illuminating Brightening Serum is our roll-on. It has the most active acids in all of the products that we have for our illuminating products. Our illuminating products are specifically for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So this is what the client will be using at home every single day up until 2 days before their appointment. And this is what's going to go ahead and brighten that hyperpigmentation. So we have a lot of acids in this one. A lot of people are always looking for the acids, the percentages. You know, the percentages aren't really that important. It's also how they gel together. So in this specific product, we have citric acid, glycolic acid. We have 2 different types of glycolic, actually. We also have another citric acid based from oranges. We have another one from bilberry. We have another one from lemon. Those are all the brightening citric acids, and then we also have willow bark, which is from the salicylic family. So this is a combination of glycolic, citric, and salicylic. So we have 3 acids in there. We have 2 different types of glycolic, 3 different types of citric, and 1 salicylic. This serum definitely maximizes the cell renewal. It brightens at the same time while it's exfoliating. We actually have a lot of great befores and afters on our website for our illuminating treatment. So most of people who start doing our illuminating serum don't quite understand that it's a team effort. And as we're going into the fall and winter, this is the time to start working on that post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So by the time spring and summer comes, there is a difference in that skin. The skin, when we're dealing with hyperpigmentation, has to have these ingredients to the skin daily. So it's so important to help people understand this is a daily action. Absolutely. We're going to keep doing it daily. When you come in and get a treatment, we're also going to do the illuminating treatment as well. So that way it is a team effort. I will put down the link right below. It's people who are in our esthetician business community get access to this training actually free. So if you're interested in looking at any of these products or even getting any samples, this is where you need to start with our most potent. The Esthetician podcast is now up to 69 podcasts. I'm so excited. Every Monday, I release a new podcast at 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google. This is specifically for estheticians. I range from business all the way to scenarios, all the way to situations happening in our industry, discussing how to get out of any kind of issues. I have a lot of different things that I talk about. I actually have all of the speakers from the 2023 Esthetician Summit. All of their episodes that we did for their introduction videos are also in those podcasts. So I have a lot of content in that space. So I'm really happy that we're well on our way to 100 episodes. The esthetician business community, this is where I was talking about taking that training for the illuminating serum. This is a monthly or yearly option. People get access to the monthly group coaching calls as well as the individual coaching calls I do with estheticians. But in order for you to get access to any of the Save Brazil courses, any of my master classes, the 7-minute Brazilian 30-day boot camp, or the 7-minute Brazilian troubleshooting video, which is my most popular, you have to join the esthetician business community to get access to that. When you get access to that, you get access to everything. So you'll be able to take a masterclass. You'll get access to all the old group coaching calls. We just added a new social media content calendar, so you can go into that space and look at all the things that I'm posting for you to do in your socials, whether it's in your email, in your Facebook group, on your TikTok, your Instagram, whatever you're doing. I'm giving you those ideas, and you can take that and run with it. So if you're interested in joining, there's a link down in our notes. The Esthetician Summit 2024, we're going to have the early bird pricing is going to end on 12/31/2023. This is an annual thing. Our annual Save Brazil Masterclass, which is with me, is on Tuesday, April 23rd. So that means you need to get your 3-day VIP ticket to get access to that masterclass. It's going to be amazing this year. With that VIP ticket, you get access to our VIP lounge. You actually get a swag bag that has thousands of dollars of products in it, which is amazing. And VIP sitting, which will be at the front of every single class, as well as the main stage, will be just for VIPs. And you're invited to the Mixer Sunday evening. That's going to be sponsored by Dermascope. We do have payment options available with Sezzle and or Afterpay for you to lock in your ticket. And I love announcing who is on the speaker. So I've been doing this every week. Nick Townsen will be gracing us with his appearance. He will be on the main stage. He will also be speaking on Sunday, as well as having classes on Sunday as Monday as well. We always love when Nick Townsen comes and graces us with his appearance, knowledge, and simply education on beautiful brows. So we're really excited that he is joining us again in the 2024 Esthetician Summit. Again, we have TikTok affiliates. We are accepting them. We've actually have quite a few that are happening that are in that space that are wanting to get commissions from us based on our TikTok store. If you're interested, definitely send us an email. And if you want to become a Shopify affiliate, you can get a 15% commission. There will be a link below that you can just click and you sign up right away. You get a 15% discount. You can share with family and friends as well as your clients. This will be the end of our weekly news for October 1st, and we will see you next time.